Hello children, today I am going to teach GK subject lesson number 9 expression. Expression. In all the time you are giving same expression? No. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are sad. We can draw different faces here. So you show different expressions. Each space draw below show the particular expression. Now here look at the following faces and write the expressions they show using the help box. Now you have to use this help box. What expression they are doing on the when face is index of the mind, you know. So when you are seeing that face, he is happy. You are understanding, easily recognizing that. Yes or no? That's why you see here children. Now recognize what is this. This expression is happy. He is happy. And then he is angry. When you are also angry, that time your eyebrows, nose, teeth, all the body parts are what? They are something horrible. That's why what you have to do, this is angry. Now see here. Next, laughing. When you are happy, that time when something is happened, that time you are laughing or not? This is laughing. When you are opening your mouth and teeth, see, you are laughing. Easily you are recognizing. Now when your parents are not giving something you want, that time you are become very sad. That time you are sitting one corner like this type, you are doing your face. Yes or no? Nahi na? So see here children. So this is a sad. And then this is surprise. When you not expected, that time someone is given something for you, that time what? You are very surprised. That time your face will looks like this time. Your face will looks like this time. Understood children? Happy, angry, laughing, sad, surprise. Do you understood children? Here are some words. You have to complete this and then you draw the missing parts. When you are angry, eyebrows are how? See here and complete this. See upside, what is the faces are here. That type faces you have to draw here and complete your homework and send your homework back to me. Thank you.